Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two-step verification is enabled on the account. This is necessary because the app needs an active secret to link. Once done, open the Authenticator app on your phone and choose Begin Setup. Next, on your account page, select Add Authenticator app and choose Manual Setup to view the secret key. Make sure your device clock is correct. Time drift breaks codes, so set it to automatic before continuing. You now enter the secret key shown on the website into the Authenticator app. This is manual entry, not QR scanning. Type the account name for clarity, then carefully input the secret key case matters. Avoid spaces unless shown. Choose time-based TOT as the key type because it syncs codes every 30 seconds and tap Add. After adding, the app will start showing 6-digit rotating codes. Note the first code pattern and timing so you understand code windows. You finish by verifying. Type the current 6-digit code from the Authenticator into the account's verification box and confirm. This binds the app to your account. Once verified, save printed or stored backup codes and add recovery options so you can regain access if you lose your device. If the verification fails, make sure your phone's time is automatic and correct, then re-enter the secret key or remove and repeat setup. Time mismatch is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.